Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Okay, let us start our next class. Before, in the previous class, we discussed about types of synthetic fibers. We already explained about two types of synthetic fibers. Which are they? Yes, nylon and rayon. And today we are going to discuss about another important two synthetic fibers, polyester and acrylic. Polyester and acrylic. Okay, so polyester is also another synthetic fiber. It does not get wrinkled easily. It remains crisp and easy to wash. So it is quite suitable for making dress material. Clear? The fabric made from polyester, it does not wrinkle easily and easy to wash. So it is quite suitable for making dress materials. Polyester. You must have seen people wearing polyester shirts and other dress materials. Yes. Terylene is an example of a polyester. Terylene. Terylene is a polyester. Terylene is an example of a polyester. And the next, PET. PET. Popularly known another polyester. PET. PET. What is the full form of PET? Yes. Polyethylene terephthalate. That is the another popularly known polyester is PET. Polyethylene terephthalate. PET. PET is used for making bottles, utensils, films and wires. So many products are there. PET is used for making bottles, utensils, wires, films, etc. Clear? The full form of PET is polyethylene terephthalate. Okay. And next about polyester. Polyester actually polyester. The polyester. Ester is a small chemical unit and combined to form polyester. It gives fruit smell. Actually, polyester is the combination of a small chemical substance, ester. Okay. Ester. The combination of small chemical substances called ester, which gives fruit smell. Fruit smell. Fruit smell. Okay. In the previous class, we discussed about polymer. So, poly means many, mer means part or a unit. Okay. Fabrics are sold by names polycot, polywool and terrycot. Okay. Fabrics sold by names such as polycot, polywool and terrycot. For example, polycot. Polycot is the combination of two fibers. Which are they? Polyester and cotton. Polyester and cotton. In the same way, polywool. Polywool is the combination of polyester and wool. Okay. These are the examples. Actually, these are made up of mixing up of two fibers. Clear? We wear sweaters, shawls, blankets in winter. We wear sweaters, shawls, blankets in winter. And actually, these are not made up from natural wool. And these are made up from artificial wool. Artificial wool like acrylic. Because actually acrylic is very cheap in availability, and but in the case of natural wool, it's very costly. So acrylic we will get in different colors also. Okay. So artificial wool is obtained from acrylic fiber. Acrylic synthetic fiber. Acrylic is also a synthetic fiber. So artificial wool we get from acrylic. Clear? Acrylic is cheap, but a natural wool is very expensive. So we use acrylic for making artificial wool. Clear? Synthetic fibers are durable and affordable. For this reason, we use popularly in dress materials. Clear? And in standard 7, there was an activity. Some fibers are burning time. What happened is, when synthetic fibers burn, it melt on heating. One of the disadvantages of synthetic fiber, to melt on heating. If the cloth catches the fire, it can be disastrous. The fabrics melts and stick to the body of person that wearing it. Clear? So you should avoid synthetic fabrics while cooking in kitchen or working in laboratory. So this is the reason. Please avoid synthetic fabric clothes while we working in kitchen or in laboratory. Clear? This is the important one disadvantages of the synthetic fiber. When it burn, it melts and easy to stick body. So it's very dangerous. Clear? So next, characteristics of the synthetic fibers. Characteristics of the synthetic fibers. Characteristics of the synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers possess unique characteristics that make popular among dress materials. Clear? So, the specialities of synthetic fibers are, it dry up quickly. dry up quickly. These are durable. And less expensive. Less expensive and readily available. Fifth one, easy to maintain. Okay, these are the important characteristics of a synthetic fibers. Clear? They dry up quickly, durable, less expensive, readily available, and easy to maintain. Clear? Okay children, today we discussed about polyester and acrylic. Polyester is the polyester. It is the combination of ester, and acrylic is the artificial wool, and the one disadvantages of synthetic fiber, if it catches fire, it's very disastrous. Clear? So handle with care. Next characteristics of the synthetic fibers. Hope you understood clear. So for better understanding, we can discuss in Google Meet. Okay. Thank you.